Keep your stay clean and comfortable with the Mid-Stay cleaning service that's perfect for a stay experience that lasts up to a week or longer. ComfyMaid's Mid-Stay cleaning service includes washing of used linens and towels, folding of washed linens and towels, bed making, dusting the furniture, vacuuming the carpet, cleaning the shower area, sinks and faucets, cleaning and sanitizing the toilets, loading up and emptying dishwasher after the cycle, cleaning countertops in the kitchen, sweeping and mopping floors, disposing and recycling trash. A comfy home is a clean home. Book a Mid-Stay cleaning service today at comfymaids.com or call us now.